Hey everyone, welcome back to Vancouver, Washington Real Estate, where I break down smart money moves to get you a great home while building financial freedom. Today, we're flipping the script on the 50-year mortgage. You've probably heard the horror stories, endless debt, sky high interest, but what if I told you this could actually be your secret weapon to snag a dream home in a prime neighborhood, slash your monthly bills, and build serious wealth? As long as you've got a solid plan. Stick around because I'm about to show you how to make it work for you. Let's start with the basics. A 50-year mortgage is exactly what it sounds like. A home loan stretched out over 50 years instead of the usual 30. Lenders are rolling these out more and more because the housing market is brutal right now, with prices through the roof. But here's the game changer. By extending the term, you supercharge your purchasing power. We're talking qualifying for a bigger loan amount without jacking up your monthly payment. Imagine jumping from a starter home in the suburbs to a spacious spot in that upscale neighborhood you've been eyeing, the one with top schools, low crime, and killer amenities. This means if you previously qualified in the range of $420,000 to $450,000, you could qualify for $500,000 to $525,000. That extra buying power could mean the difference between settling and thriving. And speaking of payments, let's crunch the numbers. On a $500,000 loan at 7% interest with 5% down, a traditional 30-year mortgage might run you about $3,200 a month. Switch to 50 years, that drops to around $2,600, saving you nearly $600 every single month. That's not chump change. You could redirect that cash toward maxing out your retirement accounts, funding a side hustle, or even paying down principal. Lower payments mean more breathing room in your budget, especially if you're a first-time buyer or juggling other expenses like student loans or kids. But here's the key. I'm not here to sugarcoat it. A longer loan does mean more interest over time. In that same example, you'd pay about $643,000 in interest over 30 years, versus $239,000 over 50. That's an extra $1,280,000, and yeah, it stings on paper. Plus, building equity takes longer since more of your early payments go to interest. If life's curveballs hit, like a job switch or market dip, you could feel strapped and trapped. The good news? This isn't a set it and forget it deal. The real power comes from having a plan to flip the script and turn those cons into massive wins. Think of the 50-year mortgage as your entry ticket, not your forever commitment. The average homeowner stays in their place for just 7 years, plenty of time to build some equity while you level up your income. Step 1, boost your earning potential. Use that extra money a month to invest in yourself. Grab certifications, online courses, or even a degree that catapults your career. Maybe you're in tech and snag a coding boot camp, or in healthcare, aiming for that nursing upgrade. Higher income means you're positioned to handle payments effortlessly down the line. Step 2, ride out those 7 years, watch your home's value climb, hello appreciation, and build equity naturally. Then, when the timing's right, refinance into a shorter 30-year term at potentially lower rates, or sell and upgrade to your next dream home with the profits. Boom. You've leveraged the long term to get in the door, then pivoted to a smarter setup without drowning in interest. Is this for everyone? Nope. If you're planning to stay put forever or hate the idea of the extra interest over time, stick to 30 years. But if you're looking for a foot in the door, forward thinking, and ready to play the game, a 50-year mortgage could unlock doors you didn't even know existed. It's all about aligning it with your goals, owning real estate while building your wealth and financial future. Quick recap. Supercharged buying power for better homes and neighborhoods. Hundreds of dollars in monthly savings to fuel your life. And a clear plan to increase income, build equity in 7 years, and refinance or sell your way to victory. Don't sleep on this. Run the numbers for your situation with a trusted lender. What do you think? Have you considered a 50-year mortgage or got a killer plan for building wealth through real estate? Drop it in the comments. I read every one. If this fired you up, smash that like button, subscribe for more no BS finance tips, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Check out my video on how to take charge of your life, and if you're interested in taking the next step, click the link in the description to schedule a free, no-pressure strategy session with me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.